In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Relevance Ai SEO-optimized blog writer 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the template, configure your agent, and generate a clean SEO-friendly blog post with just a few clicks. Start by heading to the Relevance AI website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, sign up to get access. Use secure credentials and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. Once you're in, locate the SEO-optimized blog writer template. You'll see an option to use the template or clone it. Choosing either will add a copy to your workspace, so you can edit without changing the original. Next, it's time to configure your agent. Go to the Agents section and select Create Your First Agent. If you're new, selecting the default option is a quick way to get started, giving you a sensible baseline you can tweak later. Open the prompt template for this agent. This is where you guide the writing behavior. Think of it as the creative brief for your blog writer. Small adjustments here affect tone, structure, and the level of detail, so it's worth being intentional. Give your agent a clear, memorable title. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to find, like SEO blog writer, green lifestyle, or anything that matches your niche. Then add a short description. Keep it practical and focused on what you want the agent to produce. For example, you might include a topic and a few primary keywords. Topic: sustainable living tips for 2026. Keywords: sustainable living, eco-friendly tips, green lifestyle. You can also mention tone, audience, and desired length if that matters to you. The more specific this description, the better the structure and SEO alignment you'll get back. When your setup looks good, run the agent to generate the blog post. Click Run or Generate and give it a moment to process. The system will draft a structured article that incorporates your keywords and follows your prompt guidance. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your description or adjust the prompt template and run it again. You can try sharper keywords, clarify the angle, or ask for a different tone, such as educational, conversational, or expert-led. Small tweaks often make a big difference. That's the workflow. Open the template, clone it to your workspace, configure the agent with a clear title and description, then run it to create your SEO-optimized blog post. Save your best setups so you can reuse them for future topics and keep your content consistent across your site.